Give me some rose-scented, oily, greasy-feeling body scrub. What are you thinking? Hi everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious what you receive in the September 2021 AIA Beauty Bundle, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so if anyone isn't aware of what AIA Beauty Bundle is, AIA stands for the American Influencer Awards. I almost forgot what that last A stood for. And which used to be a bi-monthly subscription, but just this month it is now going to be monthly. And when it was bi-monthly, it was $29.95. I presume it remains $29.95, but every month now. This box is curated by an influencer or brand, so every product will be by the same brand. All right, I'm excited. Let's dig in and see who the influencer is. Full disclosure, as I was checking my email to figure out when this becomes monthly, I did briefly see the influencer, like half a second. I scrolled away. I couldn't even tell you the name, but I think it might have something to do with skincare. This box is very heavy. Thus, no makeup other than mascara and some lip products. Now, if this isn't skincare, I'm going to look the fool, but I figured I was going to put makeup onto the film. I thought, well, I'm barefaced. That way I can do some try-ons. Let's hope this is actually skincare. Yes, there is a card, and this influencer is a brand called Herbivore, or if you're European, Herbivore. Let me know, do you say herb with an H or herb with a silent H? And without too many spoilers, it does look like it is going to be skincare. Yes. All right, let's dig in. And this first item I'm grabbing looks super bougie. This is a glass bottle. Beautiful. It has some weight to it. I like how it's square instead of rounded. This is the LAPIS facial oil. Shut up. This retails for $72. Okay. I am not familiar with this brand, and normally in the AIA bundle we get some nice stuff. The total box value is usually around $140 for the $29.95. Let's just call that $30. One product in at $72. That's fancy. I wonder now if it's monthly, if we're gonna get, not that we got bad stuff before, but I'm just wondering if it's gonna spice it up a bit. All right, what is the next item? Ooh, this is rather heavy. This here is the blue TANSY, which is a resurfacing clarity mask. Oh, let's see if it's the kind where you leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, then wash off, or my favorite Lazy Girl approved mask, where you just shove it on your face and then that's it, you're done. No, not Lazy Girl approved. But that sounds lovely. All right, more than likely this will be set aside for a future giveaway. All right. Oh, and what does that retail for? This retails for $48. All right. Next item. Oh my God. What is this? It's really heavy. This here is Coco Rose Coconut Oil Body Polish. Oh. Cocoa as in coconut or cocoa as in chocolate? And then we all know how I feel about rose. Am I not strong enough, or is this might be safety sealed? Let me read up before I open it and ruin it for a giveaway. Because if it's rose scented, one of you lucky viewers will probably get to own this product. Okay, so the Coco Rose Body Scrub retails for $36. And it is an exfoliating body scrub, which is highly moisturizing blend of virgin coconut oil and delicately floral Moroccan rose. Leaves skin feeling soft and hydrated with light scent of coconut and rose pearls. You know what? Since it's not for your face, and I love coconut, but I can't open it. Oh, there is tape here. Okay, I'm not weak. I'm just blonde. Ooh. Well, I'm glad they put tape. I don't know if you saw it. Because stuff is like oozing out. Oh. Okay. Let's just say it leans heavily towards the rose and not so much on the coconut. I'm going to try to MacGyver this back around. And thank goodness this was around there, because as soon as I took it off, like, stuff started... Yes, it protected the box from getting goopy. Okay, next item. What do we have here? This is a BAKUCHIOL retinol alternative smoothing serum. Okay, now we're talking. Give me some rose scented, oily, greasy feeling body scrub. What are you thinking? I kid. All right, I'm just excited. Oh, look how beautiful. This is also glass, and that's a lovely purple. I wonder if all of their products are kind of colored like that. This retails for, holy cow, $54. Dang. All right, well, this box is already above the average price. Oh, it's a thick, well, as it runs down, it's a little thicker than some. Not super thick, but not as thin. Does not seem to have, why did I put it on my hand? I don't have makeup on. Doesn't seem to have, if it has a scent, it's very, 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 very light. Oh, that dropper, a lot squirts on out. All right. I got way too much. But, you know, dry, old age skin will just give it extra pats for it to go on down. Gotta be careful with that dropper. It's, a lot comes out, so go gentle. Yes, okay, excited about that product. It did absorb into my skin. It is the kind that feels slightly tacky, but I bet if I sat here another minute, that would go away. All right, and the last item, what is this? We have Pink Cloud ROSEWATER plus TREMELLA Creamy Jelly Cleanser. Now, the word rosewater now scares me, because that other product that was supposed to be coconut was extremely strong scented. Oh, look how pretty. This also is glass. What does this retail for? $24. Okay. Still a little pricey for the amount you get, but beautiful bougie packaging. I will give them that. This product here is Dreamy pH Balance Formula. Effectively cleanses, hydrates, and preps your skin for the rest of your skincare to do the work. Formulated without sulfates and synthetics, Pink Cloud Cleanser is the all-natural, essential first step of your skincare ritual. I'm going to cheat. Okay, so I'm just going to, instead of squirt, I'm just going to sniff like this. I am not smelling too much rose, So yay for me. I will get to keep this. What did it smell like? It kind of reminded me of something that of course I cannot describe. Not a floral scent, just it had an ingredient scent that just was good. All right, let's recap what came in this box. So we got a BAKUCHIOL retinoid alternative serum, a facial oil, a jelly cleanser, a body polish, and a clarifying mask. What are your thoughts? I don't know the exact total, but if I can, quickly say 54 plus 72 plus, this is well north of $200. I didn't like or enjoy every product, but enough of them where I'm satisfied, particularly the items that were on the pricier end, I did enjoy. Let me know. Now that this is monthly, does this box intrigue you more? Or were you not intrigued enough when it was every other month? It can be hit or miss, sort of, depending on, like, if you don't like the brand that they choose, or let's say they choose a brand where it's all hair care and you aren't into the hair care. Or the last one was self-tanning. I enjoy self-tanning. However, that's not everyone's cup of tea. So far, I would say 75% of the time I've enjoyed this box. So I'm going to continue getting it. And I will be tracking if it's improved better now that it's every month. Because if it's not, it's going to go. Yeah. All right. Well, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. If you haven't done so by now, I would love it if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Leave me a comment. It really does help with the algorithm. And you see this guy right around there? It looks like this. It would mean the world to me if you would hit that thumbs up, like button, because it will help my channel to grow. All right. Thanks, everyone.